Big box just arrived today. A new LiveGood shipment. Drum roll, please. All right, got one of the brand new products, and then just stocked up on some of the other stuff. So today is March 25th, 2025. Okay, I believe I ordered this on Thursday last week. Got it, today's Tuesday. At least I think that's when it was. I could be wrong. So got my order sheet here. And again, one of the best things I want to point out with LiveGood are the amazing prices. So take a look at those. Close. We got anywhere from, I believe, the lowest of $12.95 to the highest of $29.95. The lowest is the actual new product, the whipped Tallow Balm, which is basically like a hand and face cream. And the highest was the collagen peptides at the whey protein at $29.95, and that is a 30-day serving. Same thing with the collagen, which is just a couple bucks underneath that. Now, I actually just went to Costco yesterday as well, and for the similar materials that are typically, things like Orgain and some of the other companies, you might be paying anywhere from $35, $40, $50, $60 for a bag of protein if you were going to go to someplace like Costco or Amazon. If you go to someplace like another marketing company, direct sales company, you might be paying $70, $80, $90 or more for that same bag of protein. So we're gonna get rid of the paper, and we are chock full of goodies. So as I had mentioned, the whey protein, it is a nice big bag of whey protein isolate with colostrum. It is a nice chocolate flavor. I often mix it with another vanilla one. Okay, but they also do carry a vanilla plant-based protein if you don't like the whey or if you have issues with whey. So I take that daily, and as I mentioned, the collagen proteins, usually do those in the afternoon. I usually do my protein shake in the morning, and I do my collagen in the afternoon, usually with an energy drink or bumped up. And speaking of, I got the new formulated LiveGood E3. It is beet-based, I believe, if I remember correctly. I believe that's what they were adding into it. Kind of tiny for me to read here. I don't have glasses on or anything, but everything is going to be nice and well presented. All the ingredients, well transparent. All you got to do is click on any of the learn more buttons inside the member area, and you can actually find out all of the ingredients. You can find out some comparisons, and you can actually see some testimonials for people. So I have a little visitor coming here, you may see coming in on the side. So she wants to check it out as well. Can you say hi, Iris? She sticks her butt in my face. You're like, thanks. The other thing I got, reformulated super reds and super greens. I like to mix the super reds and super greens in with my protein shake. Therefore, I have like a really complete breakfast to start with. So all of your antioxidants, all of your vitamins, minerals, nutrients, whatever you can think of, are going to come from these two. So instead of eating a big salad every day, I'm going to get a lot of what I need for essential materials in my super greens. And speaking of essential materials, I got my essential amino acids. As I'm getting older, I'm going to be 50 this summer. I know I don't look like it, but just kidding. Some of my students say that I look 60, some say I look 40. Of course, I like the ones better that say I look 40. So this is going to obviously help with maintaining muscle mass, maintaining, just other things that need amino acids. And people often think that amino acids and protein are just for muscle, but it's for a slew of other things. Okay, I am a certified biology and chemistry teacher in New York State, and I've been teaching those courses for well over 20 years in New York, and I also taught overseas. And protein obviously is also important for many other things. For example, all your hormones, all of your enzymes, just to name a few things that are keeping you mentally stable and keeping you, in regular metabolic, phases and states. A lot of that is going to be based on protein, just the ability to fight diseases. So antibodies there as well, be able to get large molecules in and out of your cells with the protein channel, you name it, proteins are crucial. And obviously the building block of those are the amino acids. And with the essential amino acids, our body has the ability to produce a certain amount of the 20 amino acids that are made. Well, the other set of amino acids we can't produce, we need to take in through our diet. So this is gonna be a great way to do that. And before I get to the last part, they did throw in a nice little sticker. We finally got to the bottom of the box, and that's where I found the whipped tallow balm. So this new whipped tallow balm, again, it is going to be, basically hand face cream. Keep moist, keep your, skin in good shape. So it says nourishing face and body cream, okay? And net weight, I believe it's either 1.3, 1.5 ounces. So somewhat a small amount. Again, just dab as you need. I'm not gonna go through and open any of those. Maybe they'll be for a different video. So I'm looking forward to diving into my new stuff from LiveGood. If you wanna find out any more about LiveGood, either the business opportunity or how you can get any of these products yourself, just take a look at the links below, all right? Take care.